2 years ago, Jim Maruskin coordinated this amazing effort throughout York to acknowledge acts of kindness. People would get a coin, and we were all invited to participate at Penn Park and sit at the table together. As a volunteer for Creative York, I suggested the idea of inviting all the participants, or as many as who would want to participate, in creating art or writing something about what kindness means to them. And so this collage, kindness collage, is the result of that effort. Chistoso, fabuloso, interesante, muy espontáneo, an amazing, wonderful character who has such a gentle soul. The title of the piece is called The Kindness Collage. It will be exhibited at Dream Rights through October 17th. And come and support not just my art, but also this wonderful place that really brings the community together to use their talents and be able to celebrate creativity through performance and through my art.